Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful educational tool that promises to make learning fun for kids, the Melissa and Doug Self-Correcting Alphabet Wooden Puzzles. We found this engaging product online and have provided a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Melissa and Doug Alphabet Puzzle? This set features a total of 52 wooden puzzle pieces, each adorned with either a capital or lowercase letter alongside a corresponding labeled image. The beauty of this puzzle lies in its self-correcting design. Each piece only fits with its correct match, encouraging children to engage in hands-on discovery as they learn. This means if they try to fit a piece incorrectly, it simply won't work, prompting them to test, try again, and build their confidence as they solve each puzzle. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this puzzle set. First and foremost, the educational value is immense. Each puzzle piece is not only a letter but also comes with a vibrant illustration that helps reinforce letter recognition and vocabulary building. The pieces are designed for little hands, making them easy to manipulate, which also supports fine motor control. Additionally, the tactile experience of handling the wooden pieces encourages problem-solving skills through repeated matching and sorting. One of the key highlights of this set is its practicality. The puzzles come in a sturdy storage box, allowing for easy cleanup and portability. Whether you're at home, visiting family, or even going on a road trip, this set can easily be packed up for learning on the go. It's perfect for playdates, quiet time, or as a fun activity to do with parents or caregivers. Now, who is this puzzle suitable for? The Melissa and Doug Alphabet Puzzle is ideal for children aged 4 and up. It's perfect for preschoolers who are just starting to learn their letters, as well as for slightly older children who may want to reinforce their alphabet skills. Furthermore, it's an excellent tool for educators. Teachers can use it in classrooms to enhance their literacy programs or as part of a fun learning center. In terms of practical use cases, you can integrate this puzzle into various learning activities. For instance, you can challenge your child to name a word that starts with each letter as they place the pieces into the correct slots. This not only reinforces letter recognition but also expands their vocabulary. You could also use the puzzle during playdates, allowing children to work together, fostering teamwork and communication skills as they help each other find the right pieces. Moreover, the Melissa and Doug Alphabet Puzzle makes for an excellent gift. Whether it's for a birthday, a holiday celebration, or as a reward for a milestone achieved, this puzzle supports wholesome play and learning. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been dedicated to inspiring kid-powered play, and this puzzle is a testament to their commitment to quality educational toys. In summary, if you're looking for a fun, engaging, and educational toy that will not only entertain but also help your child learn essential skills, the Melissa and Doug Self-Correcting Alphabet Wooden Puzzles are a wonderful choice. With their vibrant illustrations, self-correcting design, and portability, they're sure to become a favorite in your household. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.